Hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little different than my usual content, which has been on speech processing and robotics. Today I'm going to share with you something really useful and handy, especially if you are new to Ubuntu. So here I have Ubuntu 22.04 and I was downloading an AI model. I wanted to download an AI model and I got an error that my disk space was full. I'm sure you may have also encountered such an error. So now, obviously, I wanted to understand what I could delete so that I can make more space on my machine. So that's what I wanted to share with you, like how to know what is taking up space on your machine and then obviously how to delete it. So let's get into it. So there is this really handy command for Ubuntu called ncdu. You may not have already installed it on your machine, so first go ahead and install it. But then after you have installed, you just need to run this command and it will tell you everything on your machine that is taking space, and it tells you how much space is taken up by a particular thing. So in this case, tells me like I have 80 GB space being used, and then it tells me, gives me the breakdown of what is taking how much space. So here I have this folder called cache, and it's taking 50 GB. So let's just go inside here. So you're just going to hit enter, and then it's just going to show you everything that's in that folder. So here I have Hugging Face and everything. If you are doing machine learning, I'm pretty sure you have downloaded models and datasets from Hugging Face. So, Hugging Face, when you download stuff from there, it by default stores all of that in this location called cache in your home directory. So let's go inside here and see what all you have. So here it's, in my case, you might have more than this. So in my case, I have hub and I have data sets, and then inside hub, again, we're going to say enter. It tells me everything that's there. And then if I go inside data sets, it tells me everything that's here. So this is how you know what is taking up space in your machine. Now, obviously, maybe you want to delete some of this stuff. So specifically for the Hugging Face, you can either just go inside the folder where this cache directory is located. So it's in the home. So in my case, home, and then I can look for that cache folder here. Now, it is possible that you may not be seeing this, and that's probably because some files are hidden, some files and folders are hidden. So just hit Control H to see all the hidden files and directories, and after you do that, you should be able to see this. So you can just go in here and then Hugging Face, because that's what I am interested in deleting right now. So let's just go inside Hugging Face, and then you can navigate your way all the way down to datasets or hub and then go inside. So basically, just go ahead and hit delete. So that's one way of deleting specifically for the Hugging Face. But you can also go go ahead and use their command line tools. So here they tell you exactly how they manage the cache. So you can just install this and use this command line tool to delete stuff specifically for the Hugging Face. So this was just a little detour that I went on. So basically, just wanted to show you that this command ncdu is pretty useful for Ubuntu when you want to understand everything that's on your machine that is taking up some space. And then we also learned that specifically for Hugging Face, if you want to delete stuff, how do you delete that? So that's really what I wanted to share. Again, very different from my usual content, but I thought this was a really handy tool that I should share with you. That's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.